Welcome to another video on loop. Here we'll be discussing on for loop. As you can see, for dummy variable in source, there's a complete test expression with couple of statements as we can give here. So let's start with quick introduction on for loop in Python. So we'll be going to PyCharm. Suppose you have a list of fruits here. Apple, then pomegranate, then banana, should be an apostrophe, and then cherries. What if I want to iterate these elements of fruits one by one, which is present in the square brackets? For example, I want to print these elements. So what I'll do, print and fruits, and here I'll write 0. 0 stands for apple, the first element. 1 stands for pomegranate. Here, initialization always takes place from 0. So 0 for apple, 1 for pomegranate, 2 for banana, and 3 for cherries. Let's print this. Let's see, it's coming same. Yes, it came same. Now, this was completely manually. It worked though, but what if I have 100 or 1000 elements to print? So here I'll use for loop. So I can write here for, I need to give some dummy variable x, and where I have to put in is a keyword, then fruits, then a colon, and what statement I have to give, print x. Now if I'll run this, I got the same thing. Now here, for loop does not require any indexing variable as we did in while. So if we compare this to while, we have indexing variable for initialization, secondly a condition, and the third most thing which we always forget, incremental or decremental. There are chances to forget, which will result into infinite loop, as I have shown you in the last video. But here, for takes care of everything. It initializes here, it gives the condition also, and step size that I'll show you here. And also it has for and in as a keyword. Let's take other example by writing num is equal to 10, 20, and 30. Now if I want to print this numbers, so what I'll do, for I in num, and I'll write print I. So here it will get printed 10, 20, 30. Now if I wanted to print the product of this number, let's say 10 into 20 into 30. So what I'll do, I'll define a variable with, let's say, prod stands for product, is equal to 1. And here I need to give prod is equal to prod into I. Or I can write prod into is equal to I. Now if we see here how it will work, first we have initialized the value with 1, then I will take the 0th value first, so I will be 10, and then it will come inside the loop, and here prod is equal to 1 into 10. Now product is equal to 10. Now let's delete this also because it has no nothing to do with here. Then next time I will come here 20. So I is equal to 20. Now 10 into 20. Then it will come in 30. I is equal to 30 and it will print 30. So the result will be 6,000. Let's check this. But I need to give a print statement also, which will be outside. Print dot. So let's see this. See, we got 6,000 here and here 6,000. We can do this in a more better way by using range function. So let's go to range function. Range is a collection which provides list of values. For example, x is equal to range 10. Here, it provides a range of values starting from 0 and till 9. For example, here we have range m is for starting value, n is for end value, where it never takes the n, it always ends with n minus 1. And then step size. If you are not mentioning step size, then by default it will take plus 1. It can be plus 2 also, plus 3, or you want to go from last value to initial value, you can use minus 1 as per your situation. To understand range, here let's write range from 1 to 21. Here the start value will be 1, ending value will be 20, and the step size, which will be defaultly taken as plus 1. Now for the printing this, I'll just assign this to num, and I want this to be in a proper list value as in square brackets. So I'll give in range and bracket close, and I need to print this, print num. So here if I print this, I got 1 to 20. Now if I want the odd values, just an odd values. So I have given 1, 21, the last value, 20 should be the last value, and plus 2, like 1, 3, 5. If I run this, I got 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now what if I want my first value should be 20 and I want the last value should be, I must say 0, and here I will put minus 2 because it will be decrementing. The step size you need to take care of. If you are incrementing, then plus. If you are decrementing, then minus. Now if I'll just run this, I got 20, 18, 16, and the last value is 2 because 0 will be taken an n minus 2. So here last value I got 2. Now, if I want to go to first program and I want to use range function over here. So what I'll write here, for I in range, I have to give length over here. So length fruits, then a colon, and now I want to print fruits I. Length is for defining the length of fruits, from where it should go, from 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will run 4 times. So when I run this, I got the same answer. You can use either way, but range will be used further in future a lot.